Hello friends, in this video I will show how to adjust the picture along with text in Microsoft Word document. So keep your cursor anyway, insert and picture, insert your picture, right click on it, wrap text and select here. In line with text, square, tight through. So if you select square, so text appear and adjust with your picture. Once you keep anyway, so automatically text will be set like this. So right click in the wrap text, you can select tight or square or through. You can use any option. Thanks for watching.